Pretty sure you'll appreciate this is one of the easier methods because you know determinants and it's a 2 by 2 system. So there you go. We have two equations, x minus 6y equal to 3 and 3x plus 2y equal to 1. Okay? Now, take a look at it. Take a look at it. Whatever the coefficients, the numbers are, it's a 2 by 2 matrix, all right? Which are 1, negative 6, 3, and 2 is a 2 by 2 matrix formed by the coefficients. Agree? Okay, all right, here we go. The next thing is if I want another matrix called dx, rather the Cramer's rule wants it, all you have to do is remove the coefficients of the x's from D. I'll repeat. Remove the coefficients of the x's in your D matrix and replace it with the constants in place of that. So 3 and 1 come in and sit in place of the coefficient of x's in the D matrix. Our minds are working automatically trying to click things. You may already know what D sub y matrix is. You may already know what D sub y matrix is, but let's talk about it. What do you want to do to matrix D to get to D sub y? You want to use the constants in place of the y's coefficients, and who should get left behind in matrix D? 1 and 3, the coefficients of x's are left behind. In place of the y's coefficients, the constants come in and sit. Are we okay so far? First step, form the coefficient matrix. Use the constants in place of the coefficients of x's, the first column. That will form D sub x. Use the constants 3 and 1 for the second column. The y's coefficients, that will form D sub y. Okay? What's your job now? Go ahead and find determinant D, determinant D sub x, determinant D sub y for me. Go ahead and find these three determinants. So determinant D value is 1 times 2, take away negative 18. So I have positive 2 going this way, and take away negative 18 going the other way. You and I have a 20. Save it. Okay. So for D sub x, we have positive 6 and then negative of negative 6. It's not a 0 but a 12. Are we okay? Cool. And then for D sub y, I have a 1 going one way. And then negative of 9, negative 8. Okay, the punchline of this story. What's Cramer's rule all about? You may have already figured it out. X is equal to determinant D sub x all over determinant D. And what is y? Determinant D sub y all over determinant D. You have the numbers, plug it in, give me the answer. That's it. How nice.
For them, that's the kind of stuff, or
you have the values for D, D sub x, D sub y determinant values. Now use this, what I've given for x and y. So D sub x is a 12 divided by 20. So x is equal to 3 over 5. Good. And y is equal to negative 8 divided by 20, which is okay. How do I write the answer? 3/5, negative 2/5. That's the answer. All right?